Hey ambitious friends, and welcome to Darcy's Business. Here, I make it my business to share tips about money so that you can level up your life. And today, I'm going to share with you the best business ideas to start in 2022. And what's great about these businesses is that you can work them all from home and they require little to zero startup capital. So let's get into these ideas. The first business idea is becoming an ad manager. As an ad manager, you are responsible for creating advertisements and tracking their performance. You can create advertisements on social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. You can also create Google advertisements. And so the type of person that would do great as an ad manager is someone who's creative, tech savvy, and numbers driven. And so there is huge demand for an ad manager. There are a bunch of small businesses that don't have the time to really spend on promoting their business. And so you can find businesses on Yelp and on Thumbtack that can greatly use your help and get those advertisements running. The second business you can start is becoming a resume writer. And so a resume writer is responsible for editing and upgrading their clients' resumes. So people that are good resume writers are empathetic, strong communicators, good listeners. And so there is very high demand for resume writers. As you know, there has been millions and millions of people quitting their jobs. And so LinkedIn is a great resource for a resume writer to use. In addition to LinkedIn, you could also use JobScan. And JobScan is free for the first month, which basically allows you to add keywords from the job description to your client's resume, which is huge in getting them that job. The third business that you can start is a consulting business. As a consulting business, you are responsible for fixing people's problems. And so a great consultant is able to be flexible. They can adapt to changing circumstances. They also are a problem solver. They're able to see opportunities instead of obstacles. Also, they are very self-confident as they are sharing their own experiences and helping others. And there is demand for your services. You have overcome something in your life that others are trying to overcome right now. If you are willing to share your story and create a clear step-by-step process for others to overcome as well, you can definitely grow your consulting business. And so the keys to success is to believe in yourself and know your story and be able to support others in improving their lives as well. The fourth business to start is to create a web designing business. As a web designer, you would be responsible for creating and designing websites for your clients. And so creating a website is important for individuals in creating their personal brand as well as companies. And so a person that would be great at running a web designing business is self-taught, creative, and technical. And you can find clients on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. And so some great tips is to create a website portfolio. And one of the best tools and resources that you can use is Wix. They allow you to create website designs for free. And Wix by far is the best free website design platform. So you have Wix to create free website designs, and you have Upwork and Fiverr to find clients for your business. A key to success for starting off is that you can specialize. You can be known for creating things like e-commerce storefronts or mobile apps, to name a few. The fifth and final business you can start in 2022 is a print-on-demand business. Print on demand is an e-commerce model that pairs you with a supplier that supplies the product with your designs on them. So that means that you don't have to worry about excessive inventory. Your product will be printed when an order is placed. So you don't have to worry about paying for costs until there's an order already in place, which is great. So you bring your brand and designs, the supplier will bring the product. So some great resources for your print-on-demand business is Canva for creating the designs, and print-on-demand suppliers are Printify, Printful, and Redbubble. So here are the best business ideas to start in 2022. I wish you much success in the new year. Peace. See you next time.